Hello.
Hello.
We are off to the Boondockers Bash with Vanlife with Betty Boondocker.
Hey.
Otherwise, affectionately more known as
The Boonies. And I think they don't like that one. Yay!
Unfortunately, it's raining, but hopefully that'll be done and dusted by tonight, and then we'll have a weekend of nice weather.
Yep.
But yeah, there's about 200 people turning up. We've got campfires and like a carboot sale, van boot sale.
Van boot sale.
So we are fully loaded, and I mean fully loaded.
If you zoom in the back there, you can probably see it all on the bed.
Batteries, boxes of electrical cables, electrical fittings, switches, you name it. Anything I bought from my van, forgot I'd bought, so bought again. That's what I'm bringing.
There's been lots of that going on.
Yeah, there's even like Victron solar controllers because I've recently upgraded mine. Yeah. So it's absolutely everything there.
By the time you watch this, though, it'll all be sold, hopefully. So,
hopefully, yeah. Fingers crossed, be sold and can go in the big travel adventure fund.
Oh, aye. Need money in there.
Oh yeah.
For gin.
For gin. Maybe diesel is the priority.
Well,
bit of LPG for the cooking and eating.
Give me enough gin and I'll just push the van. It'll be alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
So yeah, hopefully meet a lot of new people.
Yep, and a lot of old people.
And a lot of old people like Dave.
Like Dave.
Yeah, you might have seen that on the live stream that Kirsty and Purdy did the other night. I just thought it'd be a bit of a joke, and Kirsty does seem to be quite gullible.
Bless her. She's better than me. I'm normally the one that's dead gullible, but yeah.
I am sorry about that. But we did say that Dave was celebrating his 65th birthday on Saturday.
Yep.
And now the internet seems to be celebrating Dave's 65th birthday.
I thought he was just 60. No, he said 60 because
is it 60?
We kept getting messages off him saying effers.
Effers, yeah. Effing 60. I've just made him 65.
Yeah, you're going, well, he's so not going to talk to us at all.
Don't make me stop, I'll get stuck. Bye. Back of Dave. Right.
Back of Dave.
Oh, but this is the weather. The Boondockers organised this weather for us, folks. As you can see. Yeah. Come to North Allerton, they said. It'll be great, they said.
Bring your shorts, I said.
Bring shorts.
That's 100% alcohol.
And it's still not lighted. I'm just going to stand back. How many people does it take to start a fire?
Like I say, as you know, you kind of new to it. So I took about 500 metres. It's like, because I live in the coach, it's just like, Jesus, good time.
Oh my Jesus Christ. You see, in dark,
yeah, but look, you got your screen on the front and back so you can see yourself when you're filming there.
I can't believe you're still using that camera. I thought it was rubbish.
No, this is the best in the world.
Is it?
Yeah. It's the morning after. And yeah, I think everyone had a good night. I think it finished about 4:30. Mevy's van did get a bit muddy in the muddy field. And yeah, I'm having a car boot sale. Car boot sale, car boot sale. So we're all set up, selling off all the stuff that I no longer need for all the camping stuff. Cooper's feeling a bit poorly, aren't you, pal? Back legs aren't really well, are they? Poor little pal. Oh, he's a good boy. Mevy's trying to set up a little time lapse, which no one will appreciate all the work he's done.
He's calling it a night lapse.
A night lapse. But it's the daytime.
No, night lapse in the daytime.
Bless him.
You're going to do a live stream, John?
Oh no, not yet. We got some food delivered to the. Thank you so much.
That kind of festival then.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yesterday and washed up and did all that stuff and
That's 79.50 anyway.
Well, that's way more than that. And
It's a nice tip for you there.
Oh, lovely.
All right, have a good night.
Enjoy.
Cheers then, thanks. See ya. Yeah.
You are a messy eater.
Oh! No. You're done now.
Stop it!
Hi guys! Hi guys!
No, just give it a bit more. Yeah, that's it. No, big
So anyway, I suppose we better finish it off with a thanks very much.
Not thank you.
No, thank you.
Not thank
And
you. And you and everybody here. And you're the catalyst of all this.
It was my idea, I know. Where's my commission?
Way back when you first came.
I know, I told you to do it. I told you to do it. I said you want to run a campervan event here.
Yeah.
So where's my commission?
You knew that was coming.
It was an awesome idea, mate.
Yeah.
Good. Needs 2 a year though. Needs 2 a year here.
And longer. Yeah. See ya. Thank you so much, buddy. Take care.
Oh, I don't want to see you go. Stay another night. Please stay another night.
Come back. I don't want to go
Lose
to work.
them at the pub.
Oh, look. John's having gammon.
Gammon.
There's giant onion rings. Can you get your head through it?
Can I have half an onion?
You can have it all.
I've no room for it.
It's a bracelet! Sweet and sour?
Is that vegetable?
No. No, sweet and sour.
Oh, that'll be Lord Burgers.
GoPro stop recording, but not the GoPro start.
It's done it. It worked. The only occasion it's ever worked.
Oh, that's excellent.
Careful what you asked for.
What's it do again?
Bye.
Drive to highlighted route.
Hello. Oh, we're so tired.
We are so tired.
Such a cracking weekend.
Oh, epic weekend.
Not only like to see our friends, obviously YouTube friends, but like everyone else that was there as well.
Oh, loads of people coming up and saying hi, and we just talked and talked. So when we went to bed, we could barely talk because we'd just been chatting to everybody. Loads of people coming over and stuff. It was
It's not, we don't feel rough or tight because of alcohol, really. It was just like, yeah, just talking.
Yeah, because the place was packed. Kirsty and Purdy had such a good turnout. It was amazing the amount of people there, and I think that some people even didn't come because of the weather.
Yeah,
because it was a bit poop on Friday. But yeah, fabulous turnout, and not one bad person among everybody that was there. I've been in so many vans this weekend. People are just coming up and going, "Do you want to come and see my van?" I'm like, "Yeah, I do," because I'm so nosy.
The most negative thing I heard all weekend was that the YouTubers tend to stick together and didn't talk, but from what I could see all the time, we were all talking. But I think the whole idea was that Kirsty and Purdy put us in a ring with all the YouTubers together, so that everyone else could come and talk to us.
Yeah.
So it wasn't kind of intentional, it was this where we were told to park up, and I don't know, it kind of, everyone came to talk to us, so if you don't think it's clicky or anything like that,
No, everyone's
just come
always
and say
welcome.
hi.
Yeah.
But if we're around our vans, it's usually because everyone wants to see the van, so we kind of like end up next to the van for a few hours, really. And it's not like that we don't want to talk to people, it's just nice to
No. And it is, you know, never any intention for anyone to feel like that.
Everyone's always welcome.
Oh,
Pull up a
very
chair,
much so.
sit down if we're having a drink or whatever, yeah.
I had a van full of women drinking wine, and I'd only met one of them before, and it was lovely. We just sat there gabbing away. It was brilliant. So yeah, never feel worried about
If you ever
that.
see us anywhere, come and say hello.
Yes.
It's not a problem ever.
Ever.
Unless we're asleep.
But yeah, don't wake us up because we get grouchy. well, I do. I do. Yeah. Oh no, but what a good weekend.
It's cracking.
It really, really was, and it's nice to see friends we've not seen for a while, and it was nice to see people we've been following on YouTube for ages, and finally get to meet them too, and then all the subscribers and stuff, and it was brilliant, and the music and the campfire and random pizza delivery, which was
drone mayhem as well.
Oh, all the drones out.
Yeah, we just said goodbye to everybody, and I think we go home now, do a bit of laundry, and have a sleep for a few days.
Yeah. The only thing is when you see into the van and see how much stuff we've still got to empty out, it's like, I don't want to. I just want to go to bed. But yeah, hopefully it won't be too long till the next big meetup, because we do have such a brilliant time. So.